Good afternoon and welcome once more to my channel, Giloban TV. This afternoon, I want to speak to my viewers concerning a topic that is controversial, a topic that nobody has a definition for, a topic that personally I may not say I have more information on, but at least I have done some research and I have come up with something that I can tell our viewers, something that can convince them that at least I did my homework. The topic, I can call it topic 2. So you can say, yesterday I gave you topic 1. Today, I can introduce you to topic 2. The topic of today is maturity. The word maturity does not mean the meaning that you see in a dictionary. It does not mean the definition that you know. Maturity is defined practically. When do you say that you are mature? And when do you call that somebody is immature? Let's begin with a mature person. How does a mature person behave? When do you know you are mature? Now, the way you relate to people, the way you are quick to anger, the way you probably discuss your problems will dictate whether you are mature or not. The way you operate in your workplace, the way you actually go into issues will dictate your maturity. When you are mature and you want to know that, first of all, how do you go into an argument? Most probably, many of us have decided to believe that we are always the best. In argument, you want to emerge the best. Although we know in all arguments, each and every person will always want to emerge the best. But how do you know that this person is mentally mature and this one is not? An immature individual, irrespective of the facts that they don't have, they will always want to win an argument. They will always want to appear the best. It is not bad. But then, for you to be the best person, you have to do something. You have to work for it. But this is a situation where somebody has facts, but you still believe that you're the best with your maybe factless base. An immature person will not listen if you have an idea that you want to sell to them. They are the people that pretend to be the know-it-all. They want to explain to you everything in their language, and they dictate that you listen. An immature person does not take turns. In English, there's what we call turn taking. So if you meet an individual that do not want to allow you express yourself, that is immature person. They will always insist on how they went about an issue, how they decided to solve a problem, that is the best way to solve it. They will probably be bothersome, begging you to accept their ideas without giving you the convincing power, convincing words and phrases that can help you. That is a mature person. In a society, the ability of a person to sit down and listen is maturity. If you're involved in a disagreement with a colleague, with a friend, with a family member, the fact that you can sit and allow them say all the false things about you, that is maturity. Let them explain what they have, and yourself, you can also present the facts that you have. That is maturity. If you realize that you are found in a kind of a circle of a fight, your friend is fighting your friend and another friend, how quick are you to take sides? If you know a friend that had never wronged somebody is involved in a fight, do you judge from what you know them to be, or do you take time to listen to the argument first before you can judge? An individual that takes time to listen to all this is called a mature person. Lastly, on maturity, it involves understanding that the position that we hold today, all the position that we exist in workplaces, you may find, probably for teaching, I will use that example because personally, a teacher, a senior that understands that the position that they hold is temporal, that is a mature person. When they want to treat a colleague that is in a junior position, they don't assume that they are in a pedestal, that every other colleague is down there, that they have to step on them to stamp their authority. Maturity will inform them that today they are in that particular position and tomorrow they can be just as any other person. I want to give you an example. Take an example of the Kenya today. We have had presidents. Although I don't like getting into politics because it elicits a lot of arguments. But I want to say that the president that sat yesterday is not the one today. So if you used all your powers to probably exercise on the weak people, tomorrow you are not the president. What happens? These same people that were young that you sat on, they are currently or they will be the leaders of tomorrow. So treat them well. In any other circumstance that you are, do well to your brother. That objective reasoning that you want to present qualifies you as a mature person. Thank you for watching. Kindly like and subscribe to my channel, Giloman TV. Thank you. Bye.